check it out. If you're loving the sound of that, if you're just like, that is my money in the bank, start exploring by playing an inversion. And so for the A chord, you can still play regular root position down here, but instead start C sharp. What if you went... Then for the E chord, you went down. And for the F sharp, you went back up. For the D chord, you could go E, B, E here, might be better. F sharp, see what I'm doing there? The bottom note and the top note are still the same, and they're always found in the triad.